We can see King Herod's brutality when he found that the wise man had deceived him. So because of his insecurity and jealousy, he became the worst, murdering innocent infants. Dahil gusto niya, sa kanya lang yung trono at ayaw niya na ang isang lalaking sanggol na isinilang sa Bethlehem ay maging hari. Just like King Herod, are we refusing Jesus to be the king of our lives? Ano po ang mga Herod ng buhay natin ngayon? May mga bagay po ba sa buhay natin na naghihinder sa atin na maging hari si Jesus? So church, unlike King Herod's earthly power, Jesus doesn't impose his kingship. Rather, his kingship invites all of us to surrender willingly and wholeheartedly. So in this season of Christmas po, it is a reminder to us to keep in mind that Jesus is the ruler of our lives. So let's prevent po na maging kagaya ni Herod na nirefuse at nireject niya si Jesus. Dahil pag ginawa po natin ito, it would result spiritual loss, brokenness, and emptiness. But if we accept Jesus as the King of our lives, it gives us peace, purpose, and direction. So church, let's not resist Jesus' kingship because He is all we need.